Hello, my fellow Americans. As you all know, we are stuck within a time period that is tearing America apart. It seems to us our duty not only to make the right path clear, but also to tread that path. In these jarring times, the majority of Americans are unemployed. No money is being provided to the hard-working families in this great country. Families need to survive. The children are our future. In order to ensure the continuation of our country, families come first. In order to do this, we are attempting to fix the problem of household unemployment. Along with a Civilian Conservation Corps, we will be implementing the Federal Emergency Relief Act to alleviate the problem of unemployment. The proposition is simply this: if all employers will act together to shorten hours and raise wages, we can put people back to work. No employer will suffer because the relative level of competitive costs will advance by the same amount for all. But if any considerable group should lag or shirk, this great opportunity will pass us by and we will go into another desperate winter. This must not happen. We have sent out to all employers an agreement which is: this administration will create jobs for thousands of us. The money we will spend on this should not bother you. If we create more jobs, money will flow on itself, especially for the families. These jobs are being created for the American households to finally bounce back from the terrible times that have been upon us, not only for men, but women as well. Miss Ellen Woodward will aid in the making sure of women to have increased roles in society. The jobs will include making foods and goods for our fellow Americans, constructing, and for the skilled writers or artists, we will be starting projects in order to fully display their talents. All workers will be trained as best as possible in order to fully complete their duties. These jobs are being made for us. These harsh times will end, and administration of this act will help ensure our prosperity. We know how important it is for families to stick together and make it through, which is why this act's implementation is sure to bring money back in our pockets. I am describing to you the simplest purposes and the solid foundations upon which our program of recovery is built.
Hello, I am Kevin Singh. The Federal Relief Act was made for relief for the jobless Americans in the United States. In 1933, faced with continued unemployment, FARA instituted the Civil Works Administration as a $400 million short-term measure to get people to work. The Federal Emergency Relief Administration was terminated in 1935 and its work taken over by two entirely new federal agencies: the Works